Hey guys! Today I will be ranking every ride at Magic Kingdom, starting with number 22, Prince Charming Regal Carousel. While Prince Charming Regal Carousel is a delightful classic, I would prefer other Magic Kingdom rides. There are other rides like Big Thunder Mountain Railroad and Seven Dwarfs, Mine Train that offer more thrilling twists and turns. 21. Tomorrowland Speedway. People may like this ride because they get to drive their own gas-powered cars, which can be exciting, especially for kids. But this ride doesn't offer anything thrilling. It also isn't as unique as other rides, so I don't think it deserves any higher ranking. 20. Mad Tea Party. This ride is an iconic ride inspired by Alice in Wonderland, where riders control the spinning speed using a central wheel. But lots of people don't like it because it will make some people feel sick or dizzy, so I think it deserves this ranking. 19. Astro Orbiter. This ride is a spinning ride. It is just like all the other spinning rides at Magic Kingdom. I don't have much to say about it, but I like the other ones better. 18. The Magic Carpets of Aladdin. I put these above Astro Orbiter because I find it has a better theme to it. 17. Dumbo, the Flying Elephant. This ride is a classic. I love the theme. I find it's better than the other spinning rides, but they're all pretty similar. 16. People Mover. This is an iconic part of the park that provides elevated views of Tomorrowland. It is also very relaxing and is a great ride for when you're getting tired of walking all day and you need a little break. 15. Buzz Lightyear's Space Ranger Spin. In this ride, guests participate in shooting targets, which adds an element of fun and competition. I love how you can see your scores and compete against other people. 14. Carousel of Progress. I love this ride. It features a rotating theater that takes guests into different scenes that talk about the evolution of technology. It also has an iconic theme song, and it's a comfortable experience for when you're tired of walking and need a break. 13. Peter Pan's Flight. This ride is a dark ride that makes you feel like you're flying, which is unique compared to other Disney attractions. It also has special effects like wind and fairy dust. 12. Jungle Cruise. This ride has people that interact with the guests, which makes it more entertaining. Guests can also enjoy all of the animals. 11. It's a Small World. This ride is so colorful and has different themed areas that showcase different cultures. It also has a catchy song to it. Before we get to the top 10, please like and subscribe. 10. The Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh. This ride has some nice audio animatronics of Winnie the Pooh and his friend, which adds a perfect touch to the ride. Also, there is an intense part during the meeting with Tigger, which causes a lot of ups and downs on the track. 9. The Barnstormer. This is a really quick roller coaster, lasting only about 1 minute, but it is worth it. It is not ranked higher because it doesn't go as fast as other rides, and I like longer rides. 8. Space Mountain. This is an indoor roller coaster that is almost entirely dark, which adds thrill to the ride. It also feels faster than it really is due to its dark setting, and it is themed to a rocket ship traveling through space. 7. Haunted Mansion. I love this ride because it has a spooky theme to it. It also has some of Disney's most famous audio animatronic characters, including the singing ghosts and the ghost host. 6. Under the Sea Journey of the Little Mermaid. This ride has a great theme, and it's a dark ride that features impressive animatronics and a 3D set, creating an underwater world. It is also a great ride for people who love the movie like I do. I'm really sad I can't put it in the top 5, but there are better rides. Now we're heading into the top 5 with Tron. This is one of Disney's newest rides. I haven't went on it yet, but I think it deserves to be in the top 5 because it's a really fast roller coaster, and at night it even lights up on the outside. I can't put it higher because I never went on it. 4. Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. This ride has lots of thrills with its twists, turns, and drops. I also love the theme of Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. It takes guests on a journey through the gemstone mine, where the dwarfs work. 3. Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. This ride is known as one of Disney's 4 mountains, along with Space Mountain, Expedition Everest, and Splash Mountain. It made it to 3rd on my ranking because it's a fast roller coaster that has quick turns and bumpy hills that can lift you off your seat. 2. Pirates of the Caribbean. This ride is in 2nd place because I love everything about this ride. I love the theme of pirates, the drop, the song, and it also smells good. And in first place is Tiana's Bayou Adventure. I haven't went on this since it was Splash Mountain, but I loved Splash Mountain, so I should love this just as much. This ride has great animatronics, a great theme, and my favorite part is the big drop. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this one.